Good evening, my dear student and friend. Hope you guys are healthy and safe in your home. In last video, what we discussed? In last video, we discussed about the gram equivalent of a solute and equivalent weight. How we calculate the gram equivalent of a solute? Mass of a solute divided by the equivalent weight. Then we will get the number of gram equivalent of a solute. What is equivalent weight? Molecular mass divided by the x factor or n factor. The x factor also known as the n factor. So in this video we will discuss about the normality. What is normality? To know the normality, we should know gram equivalent of a solute or equivalent weight. If we are knowing these two terms, then we can easily calculate the normality. Let's see here. What is normality? Normality is a number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved in the volume of solution in liter. Number of gram equivalent of a solute dissolved in the volume of solution in liter. Dissolved in volume of solution in liter. Just compare with the molarity. Molarity में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? Number of moles of a solute dissolved in the volume of a solution in liter. One thing I want to clear here, listen carefully. What is number of moles? Moles is a type of a measurement quantity in case of a chemistry, right? Similarly, the number of gram equivalent of a solute is a type of measurement unit in the chemistry. राइट जैसे हम लोग सोल्यूट की क्वांटिटी को कैसे मेज़र करते थे मोल्स के फॉर्म में, वैसे ही सोल्यूट की क्वांटिटी को हम नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ अ सोल्यूट के फॉर्म में भी मेजर कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? तो हम लोगों ने नॉर्मेलिटी, सबसे पहले मोलरिटी को ध्यान रखना है. मोलरिटी क्या पढ़ा था? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ अ सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व्ड इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सोल्यूशन इन लीटर. सिमिलरली नॉर्मेलिटी क्या है? नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ अ सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व्ड इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर. कुछ भी डिफरेंट नहीं है, सिर्फ क्वांटिटी का डिफरेंस है. एक वहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ सोल्यूट के फॉर्म में बात कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? तो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या हो सकता है? यहाँ से फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ अ सोल्यूट divided by volume of solution in liter. This will be a formula, right? So normality का formula हम लोगों ने यहाँ से क्या देखा कि number of equivalent of a solute dissolved in the volume of a solution in liter. सिमिलरली जैसे मोलरिटी के बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले बना सकते थे इस मेन फॉर्मूले से, उसी तरीके से इसके भी फॉर्मूले बना सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द विच टाइप ऑफ अ कंडीशन गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन वी कैन यूज दैट फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली. ओके, तो अगर यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर की जगह मिलीलीटर दिया होता, सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई विद द 1000 इन द न्यूमरेटर. Simple. Then you will get the another formula. Normality is equal to number of this, we can write in the short form, number of equivalent solute. So everywhere I will write this form. Number of equivalent of a solute divided by volume of solution in milliliter. If solution is given in the form of a milliliter, then we will multiply the 1000 in the numerator. Clear? So यहाँ से हमको नॉर्मेलिटी के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली. नॉर्मेलिटी के दो फॉर्मूले हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया. अब हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल को स्टार्ट करते हैं. One numerical is given here. 0.49 gram of H2SO4 dissolved in the 500 milliliter of a solution. Find the normality. How you will calculate the normality? See here. We already discussed that what is given, normality formula is there, number of gram equivalent of a solute dissolved in the volume of a solution in liter. What is given in the question, see here, 0.49 gram of H2SO4 dissolved in the 500 milliliter of solution. So first of all, what you should calculate, you will calculate the number of gram equivalent of a solute. How you will calculate? See, what is to calculate the number of gram equivalent of a solute? You should know first of all what is equivalent weight. What is equivalent weight? We already discussed in the last video. If you are not clear about that, please revisit that video again. How we calculate the gram equivalent weight? First of all, we should know the molecular mass of H2SO4. So molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98 gram. If you calculate with the molecular mass, then 98 gram is the molecular mass of H2SO4. And then you will calculate the equivalent weight by dividing the X factor with the molecular weight. Molecular weight is 98, so divided 2, so you will get the 49 gram is the equivalent weight of H2SO4. Now, to calculate the number of gram equivalent of H2SO4, you should know the mass of a solute that is already given in the question divided by equivalent weight of H2SO4. What is given in the question? Mass of a solute is given in already question. So 0.49. What is equivalent weight? 49 gram is the equivalent weight. If you calculate this, then you will get 0.01 gram equivalent of H2SO4. So you will get this value. Now to calculate the normality, you will put this value in this formula. What is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalent of a solute divided by volume of a solution in milliliter. This formula is using here. So 0.01 is the number of gram equivalent of a solute and volume of a solution in milliliter. So 500 is here, it is in the form of a milliliter. You will multiply with the 1000 in numerator. When you solve it, you will get the 0.02 normal solution. That is the answer of this question. Right? So in this way, questions are coming in related to the normality. Okay. One thing I want to tell you that is very important in the normality question. Sometime in question they are providing information like this. How? Sometime they are telling that centi-normal solution. What is the meaning of this? N by 100. If they are telling in a question centi-normal solution, so what is the meaning of this? N by 100 means normality is N by 100. They are already providing you a normality of a solution if they are telling a centi-normal solution, and they are telling that normality is N by 100. If they are telling a deci-normal solution, so what is the meaning of this? N by 10. If they are telling a semi-normal solution, so what is the meaning of this? N by 2. So these are the terms sometime they are giving in the normality question. Now let's start the question that is related to this type of a term. Suppose a question is given in your book, calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide present in the 500 milliliter of a centi-normal solution. Okay. See here, one time again read the question carefully. What it is asking in question, calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide, okay, present in the 500 milliliter of a centi-normal solution. What is given in the question? It is given 500 milliliter of the solution, means it is giving this information, volume of a solution in milliliter. Second, centi-normal solution means it is explaining the normality, telling the normality of a solution is already given in your question and by 100. Okay. So if you are putting a normality formula, what is the formula? Number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution in milliliter. So you will multiply with the 1000 in the numerator. You are taking this formula here. Okay. Volume of a solution in milliliter, that is already given 500. Okay. You need to know this quantity. This is already given. Number of a gram equivalent of a solute. Listen carefully. In this question, they are not asking about number of a gram equivalent of a solute. They are asking something else. What is the mass of a sodium hydroxide? Mass of a sodium hydroxide, mass means weight of a solute. Okay, mass of a solute they are asking. Okay, so number of a gram equivalent of a solute, in place of a number of a gram equivalent of a solute, we can write mass. How we can calculate the number of a gram equivalent of a solute? Mass of a solute divided by equivalent weight of a solute. Solute means sodium hydroxide is here. Equivalent weight of a solute. So this formula we can write volume of a solution in milliliter into 1000. So above formula we can write like this also. Right? So now this formula is using here. You have to calculate this quantity, mass of a solute. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide, if you are not knowing, I already told you in the last video that molecular weight of a sodium hydroxide and equivalent weight of a sodium hydroxide is always equal, that is 40. But if you don't know, then you can calculate the molecular mass of a sodium hydroxide. Okay, and to calculate the equivalent weight, here sodium hydroxide is can donate only 1 OH minus ion. If you are dividing a 40 by 1, you will get the 40. So equivalent weight of a sodium hydroxide is 40. Okay, so you will put here normality is equal to X. You have to calculate mass of a solute. We can represent with the X. Equivalent weight is 40. Volume of a solution in the milliliter, that is already given 500 and it is given in milliliter, so we will multiply with the 1000. Normality of a solution is already given and by 100, or we can write 1 by 100. Now you will solve this part, then you will get X, mass of a solute. Now solve it. You will get 40 into 500 divided by 100 upon 1000, you will get the X, right? So 30 is cancelled here, 20 upon 100, so you will get 0.2 gram of sodium hydroxide is present in the 500 milliliter of centi-normal solution. Clear? So I told you two types of a numerical. You search these type of more numericals in your book and try to solve it. Thank you and have a nice day.